Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a mani using ConfiDips. We're going to be using two colors here. The first one is called Dark Harvest, and it is a beautiful triple thermal, and it's a beautiful brown color, and it turns a little bit of orange, and then it also turns green, and it's super pretty. You'll see it in action here in just a few moments, and then we're going to be using this really awesome holographic glitter called Overwhelming Orange, and I think these combos together are just super pretty, and they're the perfect fall colors when you combine them together. And even with the thermal change, they're still super gorgeous. So for this mani, we are going to be using the gel method. And then the tips on my hand here, I do get a lot of questions. They are from Triple D. They are the short almonds. I'll link everything in the description box below. And then that little bubblegum colored finger rest is from Liquid Layers. I do have a discount code with them as well. And I also have one for ConfiDips. If you're eyeing up any of their beautiful colors, definitely take advantage to save on your order. And I'll list all that information in the description box below. So I'm going to go ahead and let you enjoy this mani process, and I'll pop back in at the end. All right, we're just wrapping up this mani here, and how pretty are these two colors combined? I think that Dark Harvest, that thermal, is such a fun fall changing dip powder, and it really complements the holographic glitter in overwhelming orange. It's such a good orange. It's like, it's orange in lights, it's bright orange, and then it's like darker orange in certain lights, so it's super pretty. Definitely a fun glitter for fall. So I will go ahead and link everything in the description box below that we used today. Definitely check out ConfiDips. They have tons of other colors. If these aren't your cup of tea, you will definitely find something that you like. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!